Hello everyone, and today I will show you how to make a table and a graph from that table on Word. Let's get into it. Okay, so first obviously you have to insert a table. So go to insert, table. You could either make a table going like that, going to the side, going down. What I like to do rather is insert table, and you could just do it like this. Let's do 7 columns and 4 rows. Okay, and it's already there. So what should we do it on? Let's do male and let's think of something to do. Eat food. Just some random things, so don't worry. And let's think. Do you like school? Are you a nice person? Let's just do those. Let's just get rid of these ones, hey? It's gonna take too long. Well, how you get rid of them? Just hide them, right click, and delete columns. That's it. And then let's do male and let's do yes, no, no. That one let's do yes, yes, no. Now let's think. Do you like school? We could do, let's think. Let's do yes, no, yes, no, no. Just realized I'm doing that on the last person one. No. That's the table done. Now let's put it into a graph. So first I have to count how much yeses and how much no's. So male, there's only one yes. Let's go to insert. First let's highlight this. Cool, and then chart. You could either do lots of charts, but I want to do a pie chart. So pie chart. Okay. Let's load it in. See, and now just to get this thing as first quarter 8.2. Now since it's only yes and no, we take this fourth and third out. So that go away, that go away, that go away, and this can go away. Now the first be yes. I think it was, if I'm correct, it was one yes. Yeah, it was one yes. So, yes. Sorry. 1. That was no. See, it changed. 2. Sale. Be what was the heading again? I think it was. Let's just make this one. What was it? Let's just make this one. Do you eat food? Oh no, are you female? Are you male? Just are you male? Okay. Enter. There we go. Are you male? and there. You can even edit it. Look, do it like that. Do it like that. You can even put percentages in it. And yeah. And that's how you do a pie chart. You just do the same with this one, that one, and that one. It's that easy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and please leave comments below if you want me to make videos about anything else on computers. Thank you for watching.